Welcome back to the Technical Cat. In this video, I will show you how to work with Extrude command in Inventor. Now let's try a basic drawing. See here, here we have got a front view and a top view. So based on these views, we have to create a 3D model. First, I will take a reference of a top view. So here we have got a 126 mm length. The total base plate length is 126 mm length and total width is 46 mm. So I will take the rectangle. First go for start sketching. So that is my top view. Just okay. And now 126 by 46 rectangle. Sorry. File. New. So here you have to select the standard, and in metric it will be standard. So if you go for English or US, only inches will be available, so it's not possible to draw in millimeters. So for that purpose I use metric, select standard and give create. Now go for sketch the top view, rotate it. Now 126 by 46 126 by 46, finish sketch, and now extrude it. So there they have given 8 mm. Let's see if you want. So here the thickness has been given 8 mm. Now let's draw these holes. 4 holes of dia 8. Select this face, extrude, select a circle, escape and give the dimension as 8. So give 8, enter. Now give the dimension. So just select the point and this will be 10 mm. This point to this line it will be 10 mm. Okay. Now just change the direction. We will get the hole. Now see. Now what will happen? So just select this extrusion and now mirror it. Go for mirror. So here it's a mirror. And select the plane. Okay. Now select mirror, press shift and extrusion 2. Select both and go for mirror again. Select the mirror plane, XY plane. Okay. So like this we can create a mirrors and extrude. So top view. Now they have given radius of 8 mm fillet. Go for fillet, select this, take 8 mm. And now, so base plate have been designed, and now what's the next step? So we have to design this shape. It's like C. That is the height of 56 mm. So select see what's the radius 14 and radius 21. radius 14 and radius 21. It means diameter 42. And now sorry, I will finish sketch. So we should not draw this sketch on this space. We have to draw that sketch on the plane. So I will delete this and select the plane. I'll select this XY plane and start 2D sketch. Now select (28) and 42. 28 and 42, and we have to select the dimension. So from the center point to end point, it's a 42. Let's take the dimension, select the center point and end point. It should be 42. Okay, and now select a line. From this point to this point, and now from this point to this point. Now remove the remaining portion, go for trim, select that. Now give finish. Now what we have to do? So we have to extrude it again. In this case we have to extrude both sides, and we have to give as a 56 mm. Now see, now select this face and go for extrude again. We can directly select a circle on this finish sketch. Now go for extrude, reverse direction, and cut the material. Now see, okay. Now go for the drawing. So we have created the base plate and with the shell. Now we have to create a cylindrical tube at the height of 45 mm. So the length also the same, 56 mm is there. So for that purpose I will go for select the same plane and go for extrude, check the height 45, and this length will be 95. Let's check the dia 20, dia 16. Dia 16, dia 20, dia 28, 28, and now from this end point to this center point it's 95, and from this center down point to this point it's 45. Now see, yeah, it's perfect. Now finish the sketch, and now select this portion and select this symmetry Now same, you have to select like 56. Okay, you can see this view. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to create a wall. So we have to create this wall. So for that purpose I'll go just draw a line. So select this space and start sketch. Now select the line. Now select the circle. Yeah, this is the center point. Now make it as a arc. Now trim this point. Now select the line. Now select this line, and before doing that select this line. Tangent, sorry, delete. Now create a circle and now remove the unwanted portion. So I don't want this, I don't want this, and I don't want this. Finish sketch. And now go for extrude, this one. And what is the thickness? Thickness is around 7 mm thickness they have given. Select 7 and change the direction. Yeah, okay. Now see, the wall has been created. Now just mirror that. Select this extrusion, go for mirror and select the plane, select the center plane, give OK. So that's simple. And now one more thing is there, that we have this portion is there, so that is apart from 28 distance. Here the distance is 28 mm. So for that purpose what I will do is just I will create a plane. So offset from plane, this plane, and I need in this direction minus 28 mm, minus 28. Okay, select this plane and go for sketch, select, and now draw a circle here. So this is the center point. So let's see what's the dia of that circle. So the dia is 22. Let's give the dimension 22, and give finish the sketch. Extrude. So here if you give normal extrude, this gap will be there. We should not get that gap. So for that purpose what we have to do is to next. So now you see there is no gap. Okay, now select this face, go for extrude, and what's the dia? 12 dia, I think. Yeah, it's 12. Select the circle from the center, 12 dia, finish sketching. Now give the return direction, I mean flip direction, so there you can reduce. Okay, it's fine. So I will hide this, visibility off. So like this we can create a 3D model using extrude option. So now you can observe only extrude option have been used here. So apart from that we have used some planes according to the requirement that we can see later. So this is the way how we can use the extrude option. So I will go for home, and now you can add material for that model. So click the generic here, so I will go for stainless steel. See, so the material have been applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.